everyone, Lauren here at the Luminous Studio today, and I am here today trying to come up with a look from our new Lovers palette that I'm so excited to show you guys. It's out of our new tarot card palettes that we just released. So these palettes are super new. I'm super excited for you guys to get your hands on these. They got some really great colors in here. Today, like I said, we're going to be focusing on the Lovers palette, which is this palette right here. Gorgeous colors. You got some nice highlights up there. This one right here is very matte, and then this one is shimmery, so you can go either way with those. And then you have a nice gold color right there, and then this union is actually a little purpley. It looks a little pink on camera, but it actually shows as more purple on the palette. And we're actually going to play with that color today. And then you have Obsession and Temptation. This palette is great for all skin tones, so that's why I chose it to show you guys a look with it today. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes, and then I will be back and we will get started. All right guys, so I'm back. I got my hair out of my face and my eyes primed and ready to go. So we're going to do more of a daytime look today. I'm wearing more of a pinky color, so I wanted to go something that was more suitable with that. You can change this look in any way that you'd like. Make it more dramatic, make it more simple. So do what you will with it. Be creative, have fun. And if you guys have any requests or any looks that you have in mind that you would like for me to do, please let me know, and I will definitely do those for you guys. That's why I'm here. So request away. I would love, love, love to do any kind of requests that you guys have for me, so let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And the first brush that we're gonna use today is this brush right here. It is a flat, fluffy brush. We're gonna go ahead and dip into our Obsession color, which is this brown color right there. Go ahead and pack this all over your eyelid, tapping off any of the excess, and just tuck it in there like so. Getting all the way down close to the tear duct, not all the way, close to the lash line, just patting that color on. This is just a placement step. We're not blending at this point, so this is just getting your color on there so that way you can blend it with your blending brush. So this is what it looks like right now. I didn't go above my crease. I kept it within the eyelid area. And when we start to blend is when you'll start to take it up into that crease area. So now let's go ahead and grab your fluffy brush like this one here and just start blending that back and forth. It's just blending on. It's so, so pretty. There you go. And it just, I mean, the eyeshadow just literally just does the work for you. You just blend it out and you can just see how great these eyeshadows, how easy these eyeshadows are to work with. All right, so let's go ahead and do that to the other eye. Same exact thing. I'm just pressing that on the lid. Not going all the way to the tear duct, remember. Take your blending brush and blend that up. Staying in the crease area and lightly dragging that up. Ooh, it's so pretty. This is a great brown. I was needing a new brown, and this is great. I'm such a neutral eyeshadow wearer, so it's really hard for me to veer off into color, but I've been really exercising my creative juices for you guys lately for these palettes because they're so great. I have to utilize every color. Okay, next step is going to go ahead and clean your fluffy flat brush that we just packed that color onto the eyelid with, and take it again, same one, and grab the Union color, which is the color right here, Union, and we're gonna put that right over the eyelid, right in the middle, like that. And this trick actually makes your eyes look bigger when putting like a shimmer color right in the center. And I actually picked up a little bit of the Lust color, which is this gold color right here. There you go, you see that. And I just mixed it with that Union just a bit. So I tapped into the Lust gold color and into the Union, just tapped that off and then packed that on my lid. And that gives it a little bit of a gold finish, and that really makes your eyes look bigger. Okay, go ahead and do that to the other side. So let's go ahead and grab a flat brush like this one here, And dip into the Obsession brown color again that I just showed you, and tuck this underneath your lower lash line. About halfway over, right underneath your iris of your eye. And same thing to the other side. Now we're gonna go ahead and go into our tear duct area, which is the inner corner of your eye. And this is the highlight part, which really gives your face like a nice fresh look, makes you look awake and ready to go. And let's go ahead and we're going to use the angel color, which is this color right here. Just place that right here, give it a nice highlight. There you go, beautiful. And this looks really easy, guys. Get this look with just one palette. So that's my main goal, is to show you how to use these palettes in an easy, fun way and really utilize them to their fullest potential. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the look. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna put my lashes on, do my liner, and then I will be right back. Alrighty guys, so here's the finished look. I hope you guys like it. It's actually very, very easy. I've only used a total of 4 colors in like 3 or 4 steps. So I try to make it as simple as possible, like I said, so that way you guys can get it down at home and then we can work our way up and get better and better together. So if you guys have any questions about this look, please comment below. I'm taking any and all questions. Let me help you. I'm here to help you guys, bring you makeup knowledge. And I want to learn from you guys too. If there's a certain technique that you like, or you just want to learn a new technique in general, let me know. I'll be more than happy to make a video for you guys, whatever it may be. So I will stay tuned for any request. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.